Welcome to Katy, Texas. We're going to the Tex-INDIE Author Book Fair, but first, hotel breakfast and a workout.
There's 140 authors at the British International School of Houston. We would love to see you guys.
It's setup time, and I love turning a blank table into a little Shelly Creates world to display all of my books. I never quite know what my setup is going to look like just because the venue changes every time, and I always get new surprises when I set up my books. But it's so fun to see every other author here and being creative with their table and their space, so check it out.
Thanks so much to Joseph and Firehouse Subs for providing lunch. It was very much appreciated. I didn't have to bring a bunch of snacks or worry about lunch. So thanks. It was delicious. Unfortunately, the event was pretty slow and we didn't have a lot of shoppers. So I spent my free time designing my December postcard. This is something new I'm trying out, and I have a few free spots left. You can join my snail mail adventure, and you'll get 3 creative postcards for October, November, December And I'm just trying out the system to see if the postcards are decent, to figure out mailing times, see if there's even an interest. But the postcard subscription comes with a monthly printed newsletter, a postcard itself that you can mail to other people, and then a little activity foldable printout thingy that is great for kids or even as adults. Sometimes we need to recreate and reconnect to our creative side, and that's kind of what I wanted to inspire here. We get so many digital emails and downloads and download this, buy this, but hardly anything is like physical mail from a person. And these cards are hand drawn by me, as you can see, and then currently I'm printing them from Zazzle. So if you want to try it out, I would love to have you sign up. The address you give is only used for this, and if it's something that you enjoy, you can sign up for the subscription for 2026. I have a monthly, a quarterly, and a yearly subscription, so I would love for you to come and be a part of it. And if you have any ideas of how to make this work or things to make it better, please let me know.
All right, we just finished loading up. It's time to head home, about 2.5 hours. And it was a fun day, totally worth it to get out and meet some authors and talk about their powerful stories. So thanks for coming along with the Tex-INDIE adventure. If you'd love to see more behind the scenes, keep following along and subscribe. And I would love to share my creativity with you.
2 hours and 21 minutes until you arrive at your destination.